Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain interpolation with unequal intervals. Suppose we have a tabulated data is of the form x arguments are denoted by x0, this is x1, this is x2, this is xn, and the functional value corresponding to x arguments are denoted by f of x naught, that is this is y naught, this is y1, this is y2, and this is yn. That is, if the difference between the arguments are not equal, that is, if we taking a particular tabulated data is of the form, say x arguments are 0, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 5, and the y values corresponding to x arguments are 2, 3, 12, 147. So here x naught is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2 and x3 is equal to 5. Corresponding to x arguments, y values, y0 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 12 and y3 is equal to 147. So interval difference means x1 minus x0. So here 1 minus 0 is 1. x2 minus x1 means 2 minus 1 is 1. x3 minus x2 means 5 minus 2 is 3. So here in the first three argument, that is difference between 0, 1 and 1, 2 is equal to 1, but the difference between 2 and 5 is 3. In that case, interval difference are not equal. In that case, this problem is related to unequal intervals. So when intervals are unequal, so we apply two interpolation formulae. First formula is known as the Lagrange interpolation formula and second one is known as the Newton's divided difference interpolation formula. So first I will explain the Lagrange interpolation formula. So in the Lagrange interpolation formula, suppose we have n plus 1 values of the function y is equal to fx, be f of x naught, f of x1, f of x2 to f of x n corresponding to the arguments x naught, x1, x2 to xn. Let p n x is a polynomial in variable x with degree n. Then p n x is equal to x minus x1, x minus x2 to x minus xn upon x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2 to x naught minus xn f of x naught plus x minus x naught, x minus x2 to x minus xn upon x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2 x1 minus x1 f of x1 plus x minus x naught x minus x2 x minus x3 x minus xn upon x2 minus x naught x2 minus x1 x2 minus x3 x2 minus xn f of x2 plus and so on up to plus x minus x naught x minus x1 to x minus x n minus 1 upon x n minus 1 minus x naught x n, sorry, this is x n, x n minus x naught x n minus x1 to x n minus x n minus 1 into f of x n. So this formula is known as Lagrange interpolation formula. So which is called Lagrange interpolation formula. So with the help of this formula we can compute a polynomial with the desired degree or the functional value for the given statistical data. So here I will explain this concept with the help of a numerical problem. Now problem is using Lagrange interpolation formula to find the value of the y at x is equal to 10 for the data given below. Now the x arguments 5, 6, 9, 11. Y values corresponding to x arguments 12, 13, 14, 16. So here first of all, that is Lagrange interpolation formula is applicable in the both cases, that is when the interval difference are equally spaced or not equally spaced. But Newton's divided difference interpolation formula is applicable only for when the interval difference are not equally spaced. So generally we apply Lagrange interpolation formula for in unequally spaced. So here the interval difference 6 minus 5 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 11 minus 9 is 2. So interval difference are unequal. So in that case we apply the Lagrange interpolation formula. But Lagrange interpolation formula is applicable in the both cases when the interval difference are equal or not equal. So here apply the Lagrange interpolation formula. So in that case here x naught is equal to this is value of the x naught, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and the y values, that is if y is equal to function of x, then this is f of x naught, this is f of x1, this is f of x2, and this is f of x3. So using Lagrange interpolation formula, so p of x is equal to, or generally y of x is equal to, or f of x is equal to, that is this is f of x is equal to this will be x minus x1 because this is x naught, so x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 upon x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3 f of x naught plus corresponding to second arguments x minus x naught, x minus x2, x minus x3 upon x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, f of x1 plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x3 divide by x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 f of x2 plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 divide by x3 minus x naught, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 multiply by f of x3. Say this is equation 1. So the value of x is 10 and the values of x naught, x1, x2, x3 and corresponding to function values are given in this table, and substitute all the values in equation 1, then we obtain, so f of 10 is equal to, or y at x is equal to 10 is equal to, this will be 10 minus 2, 10 minus 3, 10 minus 4 upon, this is 10 minus 6 because x naught is 6, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 11 upon 5 minus 6, 5 minus 9, 5 minus 11, f of x naught is 12 plus 10 minus 5, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 11 upon 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 9, this is 9, 6 minus 9, 6 minus 11 into f of x1, f of x1 is 13 plus 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 11 upon 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 11, f of x2 is 14 plus 10 minus 5, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 9 upon 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9 into f of x3, that is 16. Now simplify this with the help of the calculator, and then we obtain the approximate value of f at x is equal to 10 is equal to 14.67. This is f of 10, and f of 10 means y, the value of the y at x is equal to 10 is 14.67. so this is the approximate value for the given statistical data with the help of the Lagrange interpolation formula. Now another question based on the Lagrange interpolation formula. So using Lagrange interpolation formula to find the value of the y at x is equal to 9.5 for the data given below. So x arguments are 7, 8, 9, 10 and y values corresponding to x arguments 3, 1, 1, 9. So here the interval difference 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 9 is 1, that is interval difference are same. In the previous question I told you when the interval difference are same, then Lagrange interpolation formula is applicable. That is Lagrange interpolation formula is applicable in the both the cases, that is when interval difference is equal or interval difference not equal. So here in interval difference are equal, so in that case Lagrange interpolation formula is applicable, and this value is x naught, this is x naught, this is x1, this is x2, and this is x3. Now this value is y0, this value is y1, this value is y2, and this value is y3. So the Lagrange interpolation formula, so y of x is equal to x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 upon x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3 into y naught, plus x minus x naught, x minus x2, x minus x3 upon x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 y of 1, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x3 upon x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 y of 2, plus x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 upon x3 minus x naught, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 y of 3. So from the given tabular data, so we substitute all the values in this formula and put x is equal to 9.5 and simplify with the help of the calculator. Then we obtain the value of y at x is equal to 9.5 and value is 3.62, correct to 2 decimal places. And how to write the Lagrange interpolation formula? So this is the first argument, that is x naught, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3. So x minus, that is leave the first argument in the numerator, x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, divide by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x, that is this x replaced by x naught in the denominator, multiply by y naught, plus now leave this second argument x1, so x minus x naught, x minus x2, x naught minus x3 upon x replaced by x1 in the numerator and put in the denominator, then it will be x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into y1. So in the third term, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x3 upon x2 minus x naught, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 y2, plus in the fourth term, x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2 upon x3 minus x naught, x3 minus x1, x3 minus x2 into y of 3. So write the value of x and all the arguments and y values in this formula and simplify this with the help of the calculator. Then we obtain the y value at x is equal to 9.5 is 3.62. So this is the way to apply the Lagrange interpolation formula. Thank you.